I'll show you this one. See, so big. Oh. Hi guys, so today I am going to pick some king chilies. It's already ripe, so it's time to pick. So this is the only one. These are yet to come. Wow, so many are there. But still small. So today I am going to take this king chili and then I am going to make pickle. This is Naga king chili, the hottest chili in the world. Honey, I'll show you this one. See, so big. Oh. Like lipstick. The color. Wow, see the color. Yo, my stomach is paining. It's burning by seeing these chilies. Wow, that is so big. Honey.
Yes, yeah.
See.
Oh. My eyes are paining already.
Why?
Also the smell.
One more on here. Oh, these are yet to. See, this is the one. Wow. And this is bird eye chili. Came by itself. I didn't plan, but maybe the bird came and dropped these seeds. And here, see, this, I know, this is passion fruit. Oh, I have to do something for this. See, wow, see, the plant is very small, but the king chili, see the chilies. Wow.
Is there a passion fruit?
Yeah.
Really?
I didn't plant this also.
How did it come here?
The bird.
Oh.
Maybe the bird dropped this.
You have to give support.
And see, these are.
Can you look here? Look at the camera.
See, this is master. This. Wow, this.
How did that come?
This
Nagaland?
one, yeah, this the seeds from Nagaland. My mom sent it. This is, and this is chives. This is called ranam. In my own dialect, we call it ranam. This is chives. I like it. My favorite.
Looks like grass.
But it's not grass. It's very tasty. It's time to cut, but I'll just wait for a few days, a few more days, and then after that we'll clean it. And see, Anna, chilies. This, wow, see my garden. This also I didn't plant. See, look at this chili.
From where did it come?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe from birds are planting, I think.
What's a planting?
No, birds are sowing the seeds. Even this also.
What is this?
That is big plant.
There's one, right?
Yeah, that is for seeds. Another new bench. And after that, I'm going to make pickle. So I'm going to make this king chili pickle. So I will cut it. First I have to remove this stem. And I'm going to put it here, this king chili. But first let me cut it. Here's knife. Okay. Knife. So I'll cut it into half. Wow. Put it like this. I'm just making a very simple, quick king chili pickle. I will not add anything, any ingredients like that. I will add only mustard oil and salt. That's it. So whenever I want to eat, I can take it out and eat, or I can make pickle like that. Chutney. Ooh. So done. This is mustard oil. I'm going to pour it like this. So this is my first time I'm making this like this. I don't know how to make, but I'm just doing my own style. This is mustard oil. So much oil. Okay, I'll put salt. So I will add I think 1 spoon is enough, I guess. Oh, okay, one more. That's it, I guess. So cover it and shake it. Shake it. Wow, it looks amazing. I think that's it. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in the next vlog.